For 10 years, Vapor Honing Technologies has been manufacturing and selling high-quality vapor honing and surface finishing equipment. We offer competitive wet blasting machines built in America while helping you reduce time and material by providing you with the right equipment. From our manual stainless steel cabinets to our automated vapor honing machines, our vision is to keep your workspace free from airborne dust, as well as growing your small business. So what is vapor honing? Vapor honing, or wet blasting, is a surface refinishing process that cleans and restores surfaces. This process is the combination of compressed air, abrasive, and water. When mixed together, it creates a slurry, which helps to remove oxidized metal and corrosion. When you're refinishing aluminum, vapor honing seals the pores of the metal, leaving a shiny and smooth surface finish. Let's hear from some of our satisfied VHT customers, and hear their testimonies about our VHT machines.
My name is Jason Hallman, and I own Cycle Stop U.S.A. in Lakeland, Florida, building custom motorcycles and doing service on mostly Harley-Davidsons.
My name is John from Ground Thumping Motors. We build Polaris engines. We've been doing it for about 6 years now. We've gotten our vapor hone machine. We've kicked our game up quite a bit.
So we've had our Vapor Hone Technologies machine for about a month and a half now. Right out of the box, the biggest thing we did was we couldn't wait to get it hooked up and fill it with water and abrasive and start figuring out, what kind of parts we could modify.
It does amazing things. It's like a magic wand. It takes a 40-year-old rusty piece of junk and makes it look brand new.
We found out that playing with the aggregate a little bit and the different types of abrasives and how you use the machine, really the process, determined how it came out the other end. So we're getting some unusual finishes, I guess is the right word, but definitely things that other motorcycle shops don't have the ability to do because they haven't made that investment yet.
There's little things in these motors like 800 Razors and Rangers, the oil relief valve. Like if that gets stuck, and it happens a lot, they'll just blow a motor. And that's another good thing about that vapor hone machine. It'll burr up inside that where the little dowel pins rides up and down. So if it scratches it up, then it gets stuck, then nobody can get it out. Just a little piece, a little piece of dirt can just jack up a motor. But that vapor hone is just recondition it, make it smooth so it'd slide up and down again.
It's not just a blast cabinet. You're not just sandblasting a part so that you can paint it. You're actually vapor blasting a part so that you can see where do you want to take it to the next level. Do you want to vapor blast it before you chrome it? Do you want to vapor blast it before you powder coat it? Do you want to vapor blast it and leave it raw? We honestly thought when we bought this machine, we were going to take this engine apart, we were going to vapor blast the engine components, we were going to get a really neat finish out of it, and we didn't know where it would go from there. I didn't realize that people would actually call and send us parts from across the country wanting us to do this finish because it is so unique.
If you're tired of sandblasting automotive parts, why not try vapor honing? Many automotive shops can benefit from having a vapor honing cabinet. You won't only clean external components like rims and bumpers, but engines and gaskets as well. Thanks for watching this video. For more information, please give us a call at 828-202-5563. And don't forget to like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.